Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the area of a triangle using Scratch. So first you want to go to Scratch. So scratch.mit.edu. I will leave the link on the description for you to find it easily. This program is actually free and you could create an account. I do have an account, but for this tutorial I'm not going to create an account. I'm just going to go to create. Once again, we are finding the area of a triangle with using Scratch. Scratch is a programming language, beginning friendly programming language. I have Scratch, which is just open right now. So now I'm gonna start and I'm gonna label my project. I'm gonna put area of a triangle practice, or we can just call it tutorial. All right, so the basic of Scratch, you can put a look and say hello. He says hello, right? But we're gonna make and do a little bit more complicated work. So let's find the area. First, you need to make sure that you assign variables. So let's make a variable. The base, we can call it B. And let's make another variable and call it H. Remember that the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. We're gonna go to events, when click, then we're gonna go to sensing. We're gonna ask, what is the base? Whatever the user responds, we're gonna store it in our variable. So we're gonna go to variables, we're gonna go to set, we're gonna change what's already there, so B, and we're gonna store that into sensing, which is answer. So if we say the base is 5, we can actually have him say the answer. Okay, so let's test it out quick. 5. Base is 5. Okay, so it's working so far. So we need a base, we need the height. So now we need to go to this one. We're gonna go and find the height. This variable is gonna be the height. Don't forget, we also need another sensing. So go to sensing and go to here. We're gonna say, what is the height? We can capitalize this letter here. And whatever answer the user is given here, we're gonna store it into H. So we need this answer again. And we're gonna have him say that. Say the answer. Okay. So what's the base? 5. What's the base? 5. What's the height? 6. Okay. So we're nothing right now. Nothing is happening. So we need to actually do a command, right? What else do you want it to say? So we actually need to put a formula. So we're gonna create a new variable. And we're gonna call that A. A for area. So we're gonna say set the area equals to, we need an operator here. Remember that the area is going to be equals to base times height. Oh, sorry, that's a plus. We need an operator, we need a multiplication here. And we're going to just right click this one and we're going to delete block. So we're going to go to variables, we're going to go to base times height. And we need to make sure we have an operator that whatever this is, we're going to divide it by 2. So let me make sure this works here. To put it right there. Yep. So it looks like right now it's working, divided by 2. So first what I'm asking the computer to do is base times height, whatever you get, divided by 2. We can put that here. So I'm going to do that now. There we go. Can delete this variable. Now I want Sprite, the cat here, to say that. So I'm gonna go to join here, and I'm gonna have it say. Okay, so go to looks, say instead of hello, we're gonna say the area is semicolon, and you need a space here, space bar. Instead of bananas, we're gonna say the letter A. A is gonna be this right here. So we're gonna grab the A, and it should work now. Stop, and we're gonna start again. So when click, I think it works now. Base. So let's pick a number like 10, and let's pick a height of 5. That's gonna be 10 times 5 is 50. Half of that is 25. Okay, so 5. There we go. The area, let me spell area correctly. The area is 25. So let's do another one. Let's do 4 times 5. That'll be 20, and half of that will be 10. So let's see if it works. The area is 10. 4 times 5 is 20. Half of that is 10. So it looks like our program is working. So this is how you find the area of a triangle and coding it into Scratch. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share with other friends. Thank you for watching.